The world is changing faster than ever. AI isn't taking jobs. It's creating a new kind of opportunity. The question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, am I learning the skills that make AI work for me? In this video, we'll break down 3 powerful AI skills that will pay higher than most degrees in the next few years. Let's dive in. 1. AI automation. This is about creating systems that handle repetitive tasks, things like lead generation, customer support, and data entry, without human input. Businesses are desperate for people who can connect tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Notion into smart automated workflows. Why it pays. Every company wants to save time and cut costs, and automation experts are the key. You don't need to code like a software engineer. You just need to understand logic, triggers, and how to make AI tools talk to each other. Learn to build AI workflows, automate content creation, emails, or reports, and you instantly become a valuable problem solver. Real-world example. Freelancers on platforms like Upwork are charging $100 plus an hour setting up AI automations for small businesses. 2. AI prompt engineering. The second skill is more powerful than most people realize. A prompt engineer is someone who knows how to communicate with AI tools to get accurate, creative, and profitable results. Think of it as teaching AI to think your way. The best prompt engineers don't just write fancy commands. They understand context, tone, structure, and goals. Why it pays. The better your prompts, the faster you can create marketing campaigns, business plans, and personalized solutions that actually work. People are building entire agencies just from mastering this one skill, selling AI-generated ad copy, designs, or business strategies. The secret is mastering structured prompting, giving AI step-by-step context so it performs like an expert, not a random generator. Learn this skill, and AI becomes your most powerful employee. 3. Hey there! If you enjoy my content, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Your support really motivates me and encourages me to keep creating more. Thank you so much. Building Agentic AI system. The third skill is the future itself. These are self-operating AI agents that think, plan, and take action without constant human supervision. Imagine an AI system that handles your marketing, answers clients, books meetings, and learns from results, all on its own. This is where the real wealth will be created in the AI era. Developers and creators who can build and manage autonomous agents will lead the next digital revolution. Tools like LangChain, OpenAI's API, and Crew.ai are opening massive opportunities for anyone willing to learn. You don't have to be a coder. You just need to understand how systems think and how to connect AI logic with human goals. The future is about humans who manage intelligent systems, not those who get replaced by them. The truth is, the AI era isn't coming. It's already here. Those who learn these 3 skills, automation, prompt engineering, and building agentic systems, will not just survive, they'll thrive. Start small. Build one automation. Write one powerful prompt. Create one simple AI agent. Every step you take builds momentum toward freedom, opportunity, and financial independence. Because in the age of AI, the ones who understand the system become the ones who own the future. Thanks for watching.